Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to turn on or off confirm moves or pre-moves in chess.com for both PC and mobile. So we're going to begin with PC. To do so, you want to click on the settings or cogwheel icon on the lower left corner of your screen like so. This pop-up will appear. Click on all settings. You want to click on gameplay. And here by default on the PC version, pre-moves is enabled by default. If you want to disable it, all you need to do is click on this. And as you can see, once you get the check mark, that means you have disabled pre-moves. Again, I'm just going to bring it to enable. There you go. So that is how you do it on PC. When you want to do it on mobile, you want to tap on the more or hamburger icon 3 lines on the lower right corner of your screen like so. Here you want to tap on settings again. So under settings, you want to tap on play. So on play, you want to tap on live games under the allow challenges like so. And here on the very top option, pre-move is disabled. So all you need to do is tap on this and tap on either multiple, single, or remain disabled. But as you can see, that's how you enable pre-move. Or if you want to disable it, tap on disable again. There you go, and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.